Get ready to witness a brand that aced the app download game. See how the renowned game developer, Inspired Square, drove downloads for its highly engaging number puzzle game, 2248, by bringing this innovative puzzle game to a global audience that would download it and stay engaged. The challenge? Finding the right platforms to reach people most likely to download the app. Enter Player 2 in the app download game, Glance. Together, they took their game to the next level. In India, they leveraged Glance's gaming platform Nostra so Indian gamers could discover the game seamlessly. In the US, they gave gamers a smart recommendation on the home screen on their favorite gaming smart folder with Glance folders. The score? 2248 got over 620,000 app installs globally, and the brand achieved 106% of its ROAS targets. See what our partner at Inspired Square had to say. That's how Inspired Square won the app download game for 2248.